everyone and welcome in this new video. In this video, we will talk about Booleans and logical operation. A logical operation is an operation, a test, which have as result a Boolean object, which is a variable, an object, more precisely, which can have only true value. So a Boolean object can be true or can be false, and only one of these two possibilities. So for example, if I want to create a logical operation to see if 5 is equal to 6, I will do it using a double equal, and as a result we have false because 5 isn't equal to 6. If I want to see if 5 is greater than 6, we have as a result that is false. If I want to see if 5 is lower than 6, the result is true because 5 is lower than 6. We can also test if a number is different from another. For example, 5 different to 6. So this is the main logical operations, but there exist a lot of other, but they are the most used. Now we are going to see how to combine some logical operations. For example, if I want to see if 1 is lower than 2 and 5 greater than 6, the AND operator allows us to combine the logical operation. The specificities of the AND operator is that the whole logical operation will be false if at least one of the sub-logical operation is false. For example, here if I do the opposite test, I will have true because the two sub-logical operations are true. But if at least one of them is false, the whole logical operation is false. With the OR operator, we can combine the logical operations, but with another method. So here we have created a big logical operation with two sub-logical operations. If at least one of them is true, then the whole logical operation is true. For example, here this one is true and this one is false. So with the AND, because at least one is false, we have false. But with the OR operator, we have true as result because at least one is true. So it is important to know the two way to combine the logical operation because the utilization of the AND or the OR depends on the case. Then we just have to see the NOT operator, which is very simple. So when you put a NOT operator before a logical operation, you will have the opposite of the result of this logical operation. For example, 5 greater than 6, the result is false. But if I put not before, I will have the opposite, which is true. So again, I will invite you to play by yourself with this operator to really understand these operators.